Hello students, very good warm morning all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today topic is functional group, and that is the topic of the organic chemistry, and their big important role in organic chemistry because these group, yeah, these atoms, these are the atoms, yeah, we can say group of atoms which decide the characteristics of the, yeah, we can say also properties, yeah, chemical properties of the organic compounds. So let's we start here about the functional group. The functional group an atom or a group of atoms joined to joined to the carbon chain, which is responsible for the characteristics chemical properties of the organic compounds. It means these atoms may be single atom, a group of atom. They will join with the any organic compound. It means organic compound. We can say, yeah, chain of the carbon, yeah, carbon chain. Then they will form a specific type of the organic compound, and on joining of the that atom, yeah, group of atom, that which organic compound will form, they will show some different properties than to the their parental carbon chain, yeah, hydrocarbon compound. So that will call a functional group. It means big important role of the functional group in the hydrocarbon compound, yeah, organic chemistry. And also due to that these uh, functional group, yeah, atom, yeah, group of atom, they will also change their reactivity of the that carbon compound. So due to that they decide their chemical properties as well as also physical properties. Let's here these are the different types of the we functional groups. Yeah, we can say also these functional groups are categorized in the different groups. Here first type is the functional groups containing carbon carbon multiple bonds. Carbon carbon means there are the, yeah, bonding in between two carbon. It is maybe double bond, yeah, maybe single bond, triple bond. And also in when they carbon carbon chain form the ring, then that chain in ring form. So there are also functional groups. So these all these compounds will be in the family of the carbon carbon multiple bonds. Yeah, we can say family of containing carbon carbon multiple bonds. Okay, let's see here. Now here is the alkenes. Alkenes, if anywhere is the alkenes. Alkenes means always it means double bond. It means here if anywhere is the alkene group, so always there will be the double bond in between carbon and carbon. So carbon carbon means alkene. So their example like a C double bond C. Here will be the H2 and here will be the H2. So that is they have a double. It means alkene group double bond. That name is the ethene. Ethene. Okay. Yeah, we can say also C triple bonds. Sorry. It means we can say also other compound also there. Next one is the alkynes. Alkynes means triple bond in between the two carbon. Carbon carbon. So that will call a carbon carbon triple bond group. It means that will call a alkyne. These are the group functional groups: alkene groups, alkyne groups, arene groups, and these are the functional groups showing. They are showing the functional group. Okay. Now here triple bond Their example is the C triple bond C. There is the H. There is the H. That is the example. Their name is the ethine. Okay, ethine is the have a alkyl. Arenes means that will be the alternate single and double bond is a six-membered ring of the carbon atoms like a benzene. There's like when if you make a benzene ring like a C H C H double bond C H C H C H C H double bond. Okay, that will called a double bond. If you like there, take. Okay, right. So these all are showing the functional group of the arenes, alkynes, and alkenes. Next type of the functional group with the carbon bonded to the other atoms. Other atoms मतलब rather than the carbon. That's how here alkyl halide. Halide means that will have a halogen group that X. X is showing the functional group of halogen. Halogen group. Halogen means like fluorine, chlorine, iodine, bromine. These all are the halides which form the salt generally. And when they will bind with the carbon compound, hydrocarbon compound, so then they will form the halogen halide, alkyl halide or halide compound. Okay. Next one is the alcohols. Alcohol means हो गया OH. Hydroxyl group when join with the carbon यानी alkyl group, so then they will form a alcohol group. Alkyl group like a methanol, ethanol, propanol, like that. Ether. Ether means when in between two carbons atom will be a O, and both carbon will bind that O with the help of the single bond. So that will call a ether group. यानी alkoxy alkane. That also IPC name is the alkoxy alkane. Okay. Amine group when NH2 bind with any alkyl group या hydrocarbon, they will form a amine group. Next one, thiols when SH, thiols group SH that bind with the any carbon compound, so they will form a thiol groups. And all these either halides या hydroxyl या amine groups या ether group या thiol group, when these all will join with the any hydrocarbon compound, so then they will decide that which will make a new compound, organic compound. They will decide their new chemical properties. Next category of the functional group is there functional groups with carbon bonded to oxygen by double bond. It means here these hydrocarbon compounds, they will bond with the oxygen with the help of the double bond. So these are there are family of the oxygen double bonded to oxygen group. First is the aldehyde. Aldehyde have a CHO group. So C double bond O, it means the carbon bond with bonded with the oxygen with the help of the double bond. Next one is ketone C double bond O. It means that ketone group always in between in two carbon atom. So C double bond O, that is the ketone group. COH carboxylic group. It means C double bond O and OH. So C double bond O is there also. Carboxylic acetic acid, methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, like that. And ester group C double bond O, O R. R is the alkyl. Anywhere is the R. R means alkyl group. Okay. Ester group, alkyl alkanate, methyl methanate, like that. acid halides. Acid halide means acid will, it means acid halide means one oxygen atom, they will bind with the, yeah, joined with the carbon with the help of double bond, and also will be there one alkyl group, sorry, halide group, halogen group, chlorine, iodine, bromine, like that. And amide group means CONH2. So O will be bind with the, joined with the carbon with the help of the double bond. So CONH2. That is called a amides group. Nitriles, that is also not here in the oxygen, but here that is the examples of the carbon. It means bind with the nitrogen with the help of the triple bond. So that is not an example of the oxygen by double bonded atoms. But that is said, but I have written it here also. Okay, nitrile, it means C double triple bond N. That is also called a cyanide group. Yeah, one is also here. If N is here, that bind with the C triple bond, that is also called a NC. That is called isocyanide group. Okay, all these are the hydrocarbon compound, and they have also a specific type of the functional group, and these functional groups are the atoms, yeah, group of atoms, and these group atoms, yeah, group of atoms are joining with their carbon chain, yeah, hydrocarbon chain, and then they, which are forming here new organic compound. They are showing the different chemical properties than to their parental hydrocarbon chain. That's why these are called a functional group. And a functional group, they perform important role in also in the organic chemistry. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and also like, subscribe, share and comments. Thank you.